Help video factoring difference and sum of cubes, level 1. So, anytime you guys have two terms, positive or negative, and they're both cubable, then we can factor by the difference and sum of cubes using these two formulas. So, for this one, in order to factor this, you have to take the cube roots of both of these, because this will give you guys your a and b value. So, the cube root of 27, you guys. So cube root means what times itself 3 times would give you this quote-unquote value. Well, I know the cube root of 27y to the third, you guys, is 3y. 3y times 3y times 3y is 27y to the third. And the cube root of 8, you guys, is 2. So this helps you guys, because this helps you guys to notify that this is your a and b value. Now, for the rest of the factoring, you gotta figure out, well, what's your a squared minus ab plus your b squared part from the formula, right? So, r a to the second, you guys, is 3y raised to the second. R minus a times b is 3y times 2. And our b squared, you guys, is 2 to the second power. Now let's simplify that. So we have 3y to the second, you guys, which is 3y times 3y. That's 9y to the second. Negative 3y times 2, you guys, is 6y, so minus 6y. And 2 squared, you guys, is 4. So there is the factor for this first one. Now let's look at the second one, you guys. Now the second one, you guys, is, well, two terms, there's a minus, and both of them look to be cube rootable. So what is the cube root for both of them respectively? Well, cube root of 1, you guys, is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Minus the cube root of 27p to the third, you guys. So what times itself 3 times is 27p to the third? That is 3p. So this is your guys' a value, and that's your guys' b value. Now, when we look at your guys' formula, right, we gotta figure out what's our a squared, what's our plus ab, and what's our b squared. Well, our a squared, you guys, would be 1 to the second. Our a times b, you guys, is 1 times 3p, and our b squared, you guys, is 3p raised to the second. So we're gonna get 1 minus 3p. 1 squared, you guys, is 1 plus 3p plus 3p squared, you guys, is 3p times 3p for 9p squared. And there's your guys' factors. So the key thing is to identify that the both terms, two terms, both are cube rootable, and remember the formula. If you guys can do that, then you guys should be able to factor.